Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Assess 2024 in Practice Chapter 2 Guided Project 221. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments help, exam help, and for complete course help on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint with A plus grade. And I am also handling other online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Economics, MyLab Management, MyLab Business classes, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, writing courses, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So we will go to MC Hill Simnet. Our project is today is our project Assess 2024 in Practice Chapter 2 Guided Project 2 to 1. So click the start file link, then complete the project using the instruction below. Click on start file. The file will be downloaded in our PC download folder. We will go to our PC download folder and you can see this is my file which I have downloaded from MC Hill Simnet website. Okay, you can download this file to click start file. Okay, guided project 2 to 1 Simnet project. Step to complete this project is here. Skill covered in this project. Okay, file needed. Central Sharia 2 ACCDB available from the start file link. Complete project file name, first name, last name, Central Sharia ACCBD. Skill covered in this project is create a table using design tab, add field into a table, added field properties in design view, define an input mask. You can see this is all skill covered in this project. So we will step to complete this project. Mark the step as checked. When you complete them, open the Central Sarah 2 database file. If a security risk message or active content is blocked dialog box, click OK or the X to close it. Okay, or the cross to close it. So question number 2, the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. You can see we will click on this cross. It is a security risk. So question number 3, enable content in the security. Question number 3, enable content in the security warning. So question number 4, click the table design button, open the new table and design view. Okay, click the table design button to open a, first we will this cross and we will go to the create tab. In the tables group, click on table design button. So new table is created in the table design view. So question number 5, add a new field into the table and set field properties. Type branch in the field name properties box of the first row. Press tab to move to the data type properties. Okay. We will right click on this data type properties. So press tab to move the description properties. We will type unique branch name in the description box. Okay, we will type unique branch name in the description box and click the primary key button. Unique. Okay, in the description box we will type unique branch name. So click the primary key button. I have also done. Press tab to move the next row. Okay, press tab to move the next row. Add the remaining field into the table using information 2 to 18. Field name is address. Data type is short text. We will add a new field in the table. The field name is address. So the data type of this field address is short text. So in the description box we will type street address of the branch. Okay, street address of the branch. So point H is that field name, we will have to add the field name. Then we will set the field name data type is short text. Then we will enter the description of this city field is branch city. Okay, we will move on our access file. So we will find field name box. Okay, we will have to add the third field is city in the table. You can see here is the data type of the city field is short text. Here is the description of city field is branch city. You can see on my laptop screen I have entered in the description of city field is branch city. So point I is that we will have to add a new field is field name is state. So the data type of this field state is short text. So the description of this state field is branch state. Okay. So we will have to add a new field is this table state in the new field. So the data type of this state field is short text. So we will have to add the description of this state field is state branch state. So point J, the field name is zip. Data type of this zip field is short text. The description of zip field is branch zip code. Okay. Field name is zip. So we will have to add the field new field in the table is zip field. So the data type of the zip field is short text. So the description of zip field is zip branch zip code. In the description box we will type branch zip code. So point K is that field name is phone. Data type of field is short text. Description of phone field is branch main phone number. So we will go to our access file. Then we will have to add a new field in the table. The field name is phone. The data type of this phone field is short text. The description of phone field is branch main phone number. First we will have to add a field is phone. So the data type of this phone field is short text. So the description of phone field is main branch main phone number. So the point I is that field name is date open. Description is date to branch first open. So we will have to add a new field is date open. And the data type of date open field is date time. So the description of date open field is date the branch first open in the description box. So point M save, click the save button to save the button table as branches. Click the save button to save the table as branches. It is good idea to properties. Okay, table name is branches. Okay, and we will click on OK button. So this table is saved. Click the row selector to select the branch field. Okay, set the required property. So first we will type 30 in the field size property box. In the field properties area you can see I have entered 30 field size property box. So we will set the required property to yes if necessary. Required property is yes if necessary. Click the row selector to select the address field. So change the select the row. Okay, change the point R is that change the remaining field properties in the branches table using information in table 2 to 19. Field size is 40 and required property is yes. Field size is 40, required property is yes. So city field size is 20 and required property is yes. 20. City field size is 420. We will click on field size box and we will set 20 field size for city. So required property is yes. So the straight feed size is 2. Straight feed size is 2. Default value for straight feed size is 2, and default value is CA, and required property is yes. C is default value, required property is yes. Okay, so the zip field is, feed size of zip field is 9, and required property is yes. Zip field okay, this is phone feed size is 10 and required property is yes. So the date open format is medium date and required property is yes. Required property is medium date, format is medium date, and required property is yes. Okay, so save the table. We will save the table. So question number 6, create an input mask for the zip field. Right click on this and click on save button. So we will move on question number 6, create an input mask for the zip field. We will click on zip field and click on input mask, right click on input mask arrow and click the property box for the input mask property. Click the build button to launch an input mask wizard if a Microsoft Access security box. Okay. Click the build button to launch input mask wizard if a Microsoft Access security notice box display. Click open. Select the zip code input mask and click the next button. Zip code input mask, click the next button. So click the next button without making any changes to input. Again click on next. So select the without the sample in the mask like this radio button if necessary. Click the finish button. Okay, we will click on this checkbox without the sample in the mask. So click on the finish button. Okay, this is good. So question number 7, create an input mask for the phone field. Okay, this is question number 7, create an input mask for phone field. We will click on phone field and click on input mask box. Click the property box for the input mask property. Okay, click the property box for the input mask property. Okay, here is input mask box. Okay, so click on next. Okay, I have done this. So well, you can see I have done this question number 7 for remaining question, and if you want to read for this complete MC Grahil Simnet course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do complete Microsoft Access, complete Microsoft Excel, complete Microsoft Word, and complete Microsoft PowerPoint with A plus grade. If you need help in any class, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. If you need help in other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses, please contact me and I will handle your course with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.